Good morning, teachers. My full name is Shivaji Vandarnath Jadhav. I am studying class 3rd. School name is Siagad International School and Junior College, Jaffrabad. We speak English 1 part घेऊन येत आहे अनुष्का समृद्धी.
Hi Samruddhi. Hello Anushka. Where are you going? I am going to my friend's home. And where are you going? I am going to garden. Oh, how many friends do you have? I have many friends. Oh, you are so nice. Who is your best friend? My best friend name is Shuhari. Can you tell me about your friend? Yes. My best friend name is Shuhari and his school Siagad International School and Junior College, Jaffrabad, and his father name is Vandarnath and his mother name Jyoti. I have a sister. Oh, you are so lucky. Can you tell